If you want to know about various innovations, to view it, click on Find Innovation button at the middle of the page. The data according to the Add Innovation survey questionnaire is presented to the user in Find Innovations, where the viewers can see the innovators and their innovations with various filter options. Here, below the logo of National Innovation Digital Network, there is an option called Show Filters, where we can filter the innovations with available sectors and categories. And with that, there are dataset, map, and infographics below the filter options. Now, if we look at the data collected without using any filter, all of the data are available and displayed here. And now, by clicking on map, the listed innovations are visualized in map view according to the location of implementation of innovations. Also, viewer can switch to color map of the innovation happening around all over Nepal, which is presented according to province-wise data. The map has various selection features such as OpenStreetMap, Google Street, Google Satellite, and many more. Similarly, by clicking on infographics options, we can see the visual graphs presented based on the facts related to the data. Also, we can get an option to download the data in various formats. You can click on Show Filters option to view data as selected by a specific area or other filter. There are 8 sectors and 12 categories predefined in the system. You can filter innovation on province-wise, filter innovation according to development stage, filter innovations according to innovators type, find the need of innovators and filter them accordingly, and filter the innovations as project development or implementation time period. For example, in sector, I'll select health, and in category, let me select automation and robotics, and in looking for, I'm selecting financial support. Now, after selecting all the filters, click on Apply. Here, we can get the selected data. Similarly, only the details of the filtered and selected data can be viewed in the collected data, maps, and infographics. Here, all the innovations are presented in 3 modes: dataset view mode, map view mode, and infographics. In dataset view mode, the innovation project could be presented in list view and card view, and viewers have control of it. The default is card view. In the card view, each innovation dataset thumbnail link consists of buttons. At the top of the thumbnail, user can share the data. View on map button, the user can view the data on map on clicking that option. Similarly, at bottom right side, there is a contact button which shows the contact details of innovator. Looking for button. To get the details of the innovations, either the looking for button can be clicked or any regions other than buttons of the thumbnail can be clicked. This way, we can find out the details of various innovations happening around the country.